If you need to log out of your X.com or Twitter account, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're using X on desktop or you just want to make sure you're fully signed out of your account, this is a simple action that only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure you're already logged into your X account. Once you're on the X home screen, look at the left side menu. At the very bottom of the menu, you should see your account name and profile picture. On some versions of X, you may also see a three-dot account menu, so if you don't immediately see your name, look for that icon instead. Click your account name at the bottom of the menu, or click the three-dot account menu if that's what appears on your screen. This opens up your account options and logout controls. From there, look for the logout option and click it. X may show you a confirmation prompt before signing you out completely. This is normal and helps prevent accidental logouts. When the confirmation window appears, click Log Out again to confirm. Once you do that, X will end your session and bring you back to the sign-in screen. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your X.com or Twitter account. If you're using a shared device, this is always a smart thing to do to keep your account secure. It also helps if you're switching accounts or troubleshooting login issues. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.